What is up, you guys? Today is June 10th, 2018. Hope everyone is doing well. Just want to get on real quick, do a little Sunday night update, kind of take a look at the carnage from today. I haven't posted in a few days, so might as well pick a day that the market is doing its absolute worst in probably the last 6 months. But yeah, let's just take a look at the overall global market cap. We'll talk a little about Bitcoin, Litecoin. Kind of just look at everything. So first off, the entire market, you know, this might not be a popular opinion, but let's take a look here. So what is this? 300 billion on February 5th was the first bottom in the entire market. Not just specific coins like Bitcoin or Litecoin. That was the entire bottom for the market at the beginning of February, 300. And then we had about 50 billion less than that on the second bottom, pretty much end of March, beginning of April, and that was 250, 249. So about 250 billion, so about 50 billion less than the first bottom. Now this third bottom we're at right now, a little under 300, 294 billion. And the way it's going, Litecoin breaking out of that pattern, obviously I think 110 was like what it had to hold, 109, yeah. Touched on like 102 today, currently sitting at 106, so that's not looking great. Bitcoin, on the other hand, actually is still within kind of a healthy, we kind of haven't broken out of it just yet, but we'll talk about that in a second here. But so essentially the point of me talking about this, 300 billion, 250 billion, and now we're at pretty much 300 billion. I think it's likely, based on the declining volume, kind of the indications from coins such as Litecoin going kind of below healthy patterns, that it's possible we reach a lower overall market cap before we go higher again. We would all hope that's not the case, but to be honest, really, before we really get on like a better track and get above 500 billion, which is I think is a really key point. Before that happens, I really think obviously we need disinterest, we need panic, and obviously we have had that. So I think it's likely that we probably break the second bottom low, which was like 250. So that would be another about 50 billion at least leaving the market. But yeah, if we just want to take a look at the overall market cap, actually, ironically, I think the market cap's gone up like $4 billion in the last about 10 minutes that I started recording this. So, but I did want to jump over. So a lot of the media is attributing this to, let's see here, Bitcoin swoons 10% after news of South Korea crypto exchange hack leading a broad cryptocurrency sell-off. And so, I mean, that's basically all in the title. But Nicholas Merton, who is, I've brought him up a few times, he had this to say about this. So let me get this straight. Cryptocurrencies wiped off $50 billion in valuation today because a South Korean exchange, which does 2 to 4 million in daily volume, got 40 million worth of an altcoin hacked. And he said that doesn't add up to any. Basically, the point of what he's saying there is that, these news articles coming out with kind of a news story for a reason every time the market dumps is most likely not the case. Instead, it's probably due to, the necessary correction, whatever kind of manipulation, potentially futures, a lot of things that is most likely not that news article here or this South Korean crypto exchange hack. So yeah, I know it's late on Sunday. Just want to do a really quick update. I guess let me know what you guys think. Kudos to you for staying in the crypto space, still clicking on these cryptocurrency videos, whether it be mine or literally anyone else's. I know I've been taking some time off, but I've been hearing that a lot of channels and Twitter accounts as well have been kind of taking some time off, which is understandable because, just to be completely honest, it's not the most fun. Yeah, just being totally transparent, it's less interesting, kind of boring. The technology is great. I really do think this is going to be the future, without a doubt. And I do think I'm sure this is something a lot of people will like to hear, that cryptocurrency will make a lot of people rich still in the future. I still think, I don't think that the times are over that people are going to get rich from cryptocurrency. I 100% still believe people are going to be getting massive gains in the future. The question is when. But yeah, those are kind of my thoughts for tonight. Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment. Let me know how you're feeling. Yeah, if you haven't already, consider liking or subscribing to the channel. Totally up to you. But yeah, hope everyone has a good night, good start to their week. And yeah.